About 40 young people from the Mizo Adventist Church in Burtonsville, Maryland, were the sermon to several groups today. Joining me on the phone is Puia, a youth leader who helped organize the events. Welcome, Puia.
Hello. Well, thank you.
So glad that you could join us. So your youth group visited a group of young people who are new to the United States. Tell us about your visit with the local Karen refugee group.
Oh, yes. We went to a community called Savage, and we visited refugees from Burma, and we prayed with the people, and we divided ourselves into about 5 groups, and it was really inspiring. The people were really glad.
So what were the reactions of the people that you met today?
Yeah, they were really happy that we visited them, and they wanted us to come back some other time more often than, they wanted not this event to be just, like a one-time event, but like a regular visit with them. So we promised them that we will surely come back to them.
So, Puia, tell me, why were these acts of kindness so important to your youth group? Why did they decide to do what they did today? And how does this matter in just the global sense of everything?
Yes, first of all, I think this is what it means to be a follower of Christ, as we have been invited by the General Conference Youth Department that it's time to live the sermon into the street. So it really helps us realize what it means to be the hands and feet of Jesus. And it really transformed us, I would say, the ones who went out and helped people,
And how exactly did it transform you? I mean, how did it really strengthen your commitment to Christ?
First, when we visited the nursing homes, we visited about 3 nursing homes and prayed and sang songs for the elderly people. And we realized how lucky we are to be young and healthy. And some of the ladies told us that we should spend our youth, usefully for God. And it made us realize how lucky and fortunate we are.
So I know you mentioned that they wanted you guys to come back. Do you guys have any plans in the works for sort of carrying this on through the rest of the year?
Yes, we do. We do have plans, and we talk with the community leaders, and maybe we're planning to have like a combined worship, like, sing-song service where we will have praise and worship together with the people. These people are not exactly like Seventh-day Adventists. They're like Baptists or some other denominations. But then we do hope that this will bring a closer relationship between us, which will eventually lead, help us lead them to the truth.
That's so awesome. It's so wonderful to hear your story. Thank you so much, Puia, for calling in. And thank you to your youth group.
It's an honor.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's so great. Thank you so much.